Back. So today I'm going to show you how to get NodePay airdrop and points so easily. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your airdrop and always make sure you use your Kiwi browser to enter your airdrop. So okay, so your NodePay, this is my NodePay dashboard now. I'm using phone. You can see currently this is my phone now. I want to add some airdrop, I want to add some points. How do we go about it? So I'm going to click here now. You can see mission and earn. Click on mission and earn. Always make sure you do that. At least stay on your NodePay for 5 hours. Now I'm going to, you can see this is 24 hours connection champion. I'm going to claim it. You can see I've claimed it. It has added to my points. Now you can go there and see another. These are all the things that you can do to claim. You can see that all the things you can successfully invite one user, refer. You can see the things that you can do. Things that you can do to be able to. So always make sure you're on your NodePay at least 24 hours or some hours to always get. And this, as you can see, this is total money that I have used now. So if you wanted to do another one, click on this mission. Click on this mission complete here now. I have a lot of mission here that I can do. So make sure you do all these ones. Once you are doing all these missions, you'll be able to for this mission. You can see, for example, this one now, to successfully invite one user. Once you're able to do it, you're going to stay there. You'll be able to claim, and that is it. That's how you earn your point very easily on NodePay. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.